The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Wood County in central Wisconsin, Portage County in central Wisconsin, Washara County in central Wisconsin, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a cluster of slow-moving thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar estimates 2 to 3 inches of rain have fallen this morning. This rainfall, combined with heavy rain from yesterday, will result in flash flooding to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Stevens Point, Wisconsin Rapids, Wautoma, Berlin, Redburnite, Randolph, Whiting, Amherst, Plainfield, and Lake Wazecha. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.